Want to watch live TV channels on VLC using an M3U playlist but don't know where to start? Don't worry. In the next few minutes, I'll show you exactly how to do it step by step. Welcome back to TechVibes, where we make tech simple and useful. Today, we're talking about how to use an M3U playlist in VLC Media Player. This is perfect for IPTV users, whether you're a beginner or already familiar with streaming. First, let's quickly understand what an M3U file is. An M3U playlist is basically a file or a link that contains a list of streaming channels. VLC can read this list and play those channels directly. Now let's get into the steps. Step 1. Download and install VLC Media Player if you don't already have it. It's free and works on Windows, Mac, Android, and more. Step 2. Open VLC Media Player on your device. Step 3. Now you have two options. You can use an M3U file or an M3U URL. If you have an M3U file saved on your device, click on Media in the top menu, then click Open File. Find your M3U file and open it. VLC will start loading the playlist automatically. If you have an M3U URL, click on Media, then select Open Network Stream. Paste your M3U link into the box and click Play. That's it. VLC will start streaming the channels. Once the playlist loads, you can view all channels by clicking on View and then Playlist. You can double-click any channel to start watching. Now let me share some useful tips. Always make sure your internet connection is stable. IPTV streams depend heavily on internet speed. If a channel is not playing, don't panic. It could be offline or the link might not be working anymore. Also, some M3U playlists expire or change regularly, so always keep your playlist updated. Very important, check the description for all working links. Please check all links and use the ones that are currently working. Another pro tip, you can organize your favorite channels by saving or bookmarking them inside VLC. This saves you time later. Also, avoid using random or untrusted M3U links from unknown sources. Some may not work or could be unsafe. If VLC is buffering too much, try lowering network caching. Go to Preferences, then Input Codecs, and adjust the caching value. And that's pretty much it. Now you know how to use M3U playlists in VLC like a pro. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe to TechVibes, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Also, comment below if you have any questions or if you want more IPTV tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.